As the grape harvest gets underway, area wineries are busy turning grapes into bottled wine. One of those local wineries is Mobilia's Farm and Arrowhead Wine Cellars in Northeast. Co-owner Nick Mobilia says this summer was hot and dry. It was great for growing grapes. Today they're weighing their crop and processing it so it can then be fermented, bottled, and ready to sell in about 3 months.
We had trouble with the harvester at 6 o'clock in the morning already when we're getting going. So you just go slow the first day. Everybody gets accustomed to driving tractors and how we turn, and driving down the road and running all the equipment in the plant. And so far, everything is great.
Mobilia telling us the pandemic did not have much of an impact on the grape harvest. Most grapes are picked by machine, not people.